Alright. Let's make sure everything's working. Alright. Today we're going to make some games. Let's check. Yeah, something's not right. YouTube up yet? YouTube is up. Alright. So, we're back here with our game. And I just had a small idea. Got my Roland here, looking good. Something's good. Alright, that looks good. He's doing good. Might have to up the percentage he does the idle animation. Or make it slower. Dude, how is the chicken? Ooh, that's not good. Alright, I need to fix that. I need to set roll onto 0, else this is happening. That's not good. Alright, let's do that. So, Mr. Roland, you need to... At least this offset needs to be in the middle. Hold on. Where is the sprite? I think the offset should be enough. So we're... Should it be a defeat? Let's think about it. Should it be a defeat? If it walks in front of my feet, yeah, it should be a defeat. I think it should be fine. Collider for now. I'm gonna change that shape later. And I think we need to adjust the shadow as well. Now the shadow, the offset is wrong. Maybe 0. Let's check. Alright, let's see. Looks good. Alright, that looks good. Shadows centered is all. Looking good. I like my walking animation. Ooh, something's wrong there. Why is it stopping? I'm sure I like his arms when he's steady. Well, let's up the percentage of that animation a little bit. Let's put it to 30%. Alright. And what we're gonna do, I had an idea. Because until now, when you wrong game, hold on. If you magnetize or if you spit some armor on the chickens, if you spit two armors, they get pulled together. And I had an idea. And the idea is that when you spit armor on the chicken or any mob, and the armor get too close to each other, like the particles, because they're from another dimension, they get swallowed up and open a dimensional portal and swallow the chickens. I think that would be Because at the moment it doesn't do anything. It's just like magnetized. They just get pulled together. It would be really cool if you like spawn something underneath. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a demon portal. I'm not sure if it should be a portal or it's gonna be... Or if it's gonna be just some puddle of armor. We have to figure that out. I think we're gonna do that now. Oops. Let's try it. Let's do it with 128 should be more than enough. I think should be... Well, let's start big. We can go smaller. So basically, we're gonna have the... It's gonna be in the colors of the armor. Let's just make our colors on here real quick. Yeah, give me more color. So basically, what we're gonna do... Where's my... There it is. Alright, let's just copy that one over. That's easier. I didn't want to copy that. Copy the other one. That one. Thank you. Alright. Let me move them. Thank you. No. Why are you not moving? Ah, you're locked. Okay, never mind. Ooh, didn't know that shortcut. Okay. So basically, it should be in the color of the armor. So the base color gonna be that one. And we needed some kind of demon portal. So it's gonna be more like a puddle, I guess. It's gonna be something like that. It's gonna be a random shape, whatever. Might randomize the shape later on. And it has to have a mouth and some eyes and some mouth with big teeth, which is moving. It's just animated. So Limano was angry. We have ads. Let's wait a sec. So let's see. We're gonna have it. That looks friendly. We don't want friendly. Somehow it doesn't look distorted enough. Try to flip it a bit. Alright, I think the shape should be moving. This should be, and the eyes look way too friendly. Can adjust them later, I guess. Yeah, still too friendly. And we want to have, I mean, we're just gonna sketch it out real quick. Basically, we're gonna have to have a mouth. That looks way too silly. Alright, we're gonna figure out that later. How that's gonna look like. But basically, I wanna have to like so stupid, but I'm just gonna draw it out. It's basically gonna move his mouth. And what I wanna do is figure out how to spawn this. Because I need to figure out how I'm gonna spawn this under the chickens. Because we have like several chickens. And whenever you touch anyone, they should spawn something. And I'm not sure how to do that yet. So, let's see. Alright, let's push that over. I don't want to see YouTube. Let's see what you do in the code. Actually, yeah, I need to look at that later. How creative are now. So we can Comment that one, comment that one. So we have a state which is magnetized for the chicken. And what we need to figure out is at the moment it just disbands the animation when they get like stuck together. The animation just stops, and I want it to, and they all converge to a point, and I basically want it to spawn there. With the same animation, I'm gonna do some other animation as well. Like it's gonna spawn some small puddles, which is like with tentacles. Actually, I'm not sure, because basically it's gonna look something like with random puddles. And all the puddles have like little tentacles coming out. And I'll have to see how I'm gonna do this. Like something like this. And they're gonna wiggle. I'm gonna have to do some wiggle animation. That's basically just to see how it's gonna look like. And I will be able to spawn the tentacles like randomly. Like that. Right. Gonna look something like that. It's probably gonna be more dark anyway. Like blacker. Darker. And the chickens are gonna sucked in like that, and it's gonna do damage whenever you reach the middle. Or it's gonna, I don't know if it's gonna be DOT or if it's gonna be damage or whatever. I guess it's gonna just be, it's gonna do damage in the middle. Some kind of DOT, I guess. Yeah, that's probably it. Anyway. At the moment, where did I do this? I think it's not in here. I think it's in the chicken. Where's the chicken? Oh, it's actually in the monster base, because I do it for every monster. So you can basically magnetize whenever there's no target in range, it exits. Yep. So basically, on this state here, it's gonna enter a state. And I'm not sure if I can get all the chickens which have the same state. Because at the moment I keep a list on every chicken of whoever else is magnetized. So I cannot really, I can spawn it because I know the middle point from all of them. I also use the middle point to walk towards them, which is here. I calculate the middle point. The problem is, if I do this for every chicken, it's gonna spawn it like X times. And I don't want to do it. I don't want to do that. So I have to check how I figure out how to do this. Let's see, let's Google, maybe we'll find something. I have no idea at the moment. Let's see. Alright, let's... Hey Nocto, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. We're reading? Yeah, we're reading. We are indeed. I'm fine, thanks. Really good. Just worked out. And had a really cool idea while working out, by the way. We'll see. We'll show our boy Roland really quick. Today I get to test out my first weapon skill for stage 3. That's nice. Gonna be nice, dude. Gonna be amazing. I hope you miss this so I can correct my decision. Well, it's definitely gonna miss. My first weapon skill missed, I think. So... Yep, classic indeed. Classic for sure. Alright, so I googled a little bit. I think I have to do that with a singleton. I thought about that. I don't know what I like more, the rats or the chicken. Well, the chickens are pretty cool. But they're not done yet. There's some animations missing. My wife's still doing it. And there's the flea animation, which is still missing at the moment. They're just waddling. So they should have some flea animation. But other than that, they're pretty cool. Dude, I had such a cool idea while working out. So, I don't know if you missed it or if you cut that. But if, like now, I just thought they're gonna be magnetized and pulled together, right? So I thought like, the armor is like from ancient mage wars, right? So, they used metal, which they gained from going to another dimension. So whenever you spit some armor on a chicken or any object really, it's really unstable because it's from another dimension. And if it gets too close to another one, it's gonna spawn basically a demon portal under its feet and swallow everything near it. So basically whatever is like pulling them together now, which is like nothing, it's gonna be some portal or like demon puddle or whatever, which is gonna pull them together and do damage or kill them, depending. I think that would be a lot cooler than just them being pulled together without doing anything. Because at the moment it's just nice, it's just a gimmick, it doesn't do much. But if you could do like pull them together and do a lot of damage, that would be cool. And look, I already had a sketch from my demon puddle. How do you like my demon puddle? It's gonna look epic. It's Roland D. Rat, man. Roland D. Art. It's Roland D. Art. And do you know why it's called Roland D. Art? Actually, Macchio brought me to that idea. Because I always wanted to name it Roland. I don't know why, I just like the name for a protagonist. And Macchio told me there's a rat called Roland in England. So, I don't know if you got it. Hold on. Look, if you Google Roland the rat, it's one. And I know that from when I was young, because it aired in TV when I was young. So Roland is called Roland D. Art. Do you get it? It's the wordplay. So it's called Roland D. Art. And I love D's character anyway, because of One Piece. Who doesn't? So I thought like Roland D. Art, that would be so amazing. So it's called Roland D. Art. Which is epic. I like Roland. It already grew on me. So now I have to figure out how to spawn the demon puddle, because I don't want every fucking chicken to spawn one, because else I'll end up with like 10 demon puddles and I just want one, which is a little bit tricky because every chicken contains a list of any other chicken which is in close range, so it's gonna get magnetized. And it's not a global list, so I don't know how I should go on about that. But I think I'm gonna do I think I will have to do a global or a singleton. Actually, it shouldn't be a singleton because there could be more than one puddle on the map. So it's probably gonna be a scene. And every chicken which has someone in range gonna call the scene. And if the scene cannot be, that could be right. I could spawn the scene. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. We need a new scene, and whenever I call, the chicken calls to the scene, or actually creates one. It checks if there's another one in close range, like maybe 30 pixels or something. Should be fine. And you can kill the chickens now. And whenever it's close, it's just gonna update the timer, which is living. There we go. I can do that. All right, let's do that. Let's create our monster puddle. I want it to look like this because why not? Let's just export that real quick. I want to look. Oh, hold on. This is gonna be my puddle. Dude, what are you doing? Oh, it's already in colors. Hold on. Alright, why are there two calling colors? What the hell? Oh, I know. So, angry puddle. I need to work on the angry puddle. That's gonna be animated as well. I'm not sure if I should do the puddle itself. I'm probably gonna do a circle and draw outside and animate that a little bit. That would be better, I guess. All right, let's just put on the colors. Puddle is funny. Yeah, but it's not scary. I was like, let's draw a puddle real quick to have a mock-up of what I want to have, but that's all I came up with. I think I mean, for a 5-minute job, it's good. I think we need more puddles though, like mini puddles. Like more tentacles. And the tentacles is gonna be animated. Like that. Alright. Let's export that real quick. Let's go and get rid of that one. Dude. Alright, let's... No GIF. Yes. Actually, where did I save that to? Not Roland, it's gonna be monsters. Gonna be puddle. Demon puddle. Puddle. Alright, let's export. Alright, now we need to create a puddle. Not gonna be it's gonna be a normal monster? No. Well, yes and no. Is it gonna be a normal monster? Yeah, probably. Alright. Let's call it Demon Puddle. Alright, we need a new scene. Where is it? Demon Puddle. Alright, we have our puddle. We need to add the picture. Where? I don't see it. Right. I'm blind. Alright. And we need our super demon puddle. Where is it? Let's play a role on a little bit while we do stuff. So that I guess I need to work a little bit on the environment and figure out what I want to do on the first map. Gonna have some tent city, I think. And I need to figure out the story a little bit more. Like I know where it wants to go, but like the middle steps. Where that is gonna go. Don't know that one yet. But I like the running animation, dude. It's like it's really nice. For the first animation ever done, I think can be pretty happy. I need to work on the other directions now, like the back, left, right. Well, just left, right can key inverse. But the front looks already pretty good. Sometimes it's not stopping the animation, like here. This is just... it's just when you go down. I think you have no down idle animation. Let's check real quick. Let's fix that. So that we need to do the demo bubble. Hold on, let's puddle it up first. Where's my puddle? There's my puddle. Alright. We need to put the puddle in the document. Wait, what? That's interesting. Why is that in there? Okay. Demon puddle. There it is. Alright. So... oh, it's gonna be nighttime. Fired shadows already gone at 5 p.m. Well, I guess a little bit early. I have to tweak data. So we have our demon puddle. We have our demon puddle sprite. So no, it looks. I should keep it like that. It looks ridiculous. So yeah, demon puddle. So actually, let's place it somewhere to see how it looks. Dude, no, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? There. All right, let's place our puddle. Puddle. Where's the puddle? Let's see how that looks in the field. Dude. It looks so good. I should keep it like that. It looks so good. Alright. That's my demon puddle. It's gonna swallow chickens. But that's gonna be awesome when it's like wiggling with the thingies. And oh, that's gonna be so good. Alright. Let's focus. Let's demon puddle it. We need some script. Demon puddle. Alright. Let's... we need our flying rat. Well, flying rats are only on the first scene. I don't know if they're gonna come back or not. They most likely will come back at some point. I need to redo them as well. That's the... with all the experience I gain now, I should redo them. And they're far too big anyway. I don't know why they're so big, but they're far too big. Alright, we have demon puddle. Is it gonna follow the state of everything? I'm not sure if you should have shadows and stuff. Do I need to inherit it from... well, let's see. Yeah, the guys there, the rats are cool. Actually, let's check out if the thing is still working. Because now and then I need to go back and see that I haven't broken like everything with the changes I did. So what is my engine doing? Oh, it's dying. All right. No, don't do the demon bell. I want that one. Dude, I think I need to restart my PC. It's like dying. What is like... See, I broke everything, I think. Invalid send index. Falling idle state. Why is that not working? Base nil. Alright. Body's not set in. Why is the body not set? That's the problem also when you're game deving. If you keep deving stuff, it's gonna break other stuff. Why is that not working? Why is the body null here? What did I change to impact this one? That's a good question. Now it's just... I need to do a flying animation. Totally forgot about that. Because now it's just like idling, falling. Or running, even. Let's check real quick what I broke there. I probably didn't do... Should be fine though. Do I call super? I call super. And it's not calling anything else, so... Why is it not working? That's a good question. Why would it be in a state without setting the body? Player state. We're still in player state, so we're gonna be in the same... This is very weird. Let's check if I broke all of the scenes. Check if I broke the entry scene. So I need to go back and debug them, make sure they're working. Because I changed a lot on the core systems to be able to... That looks good actually. Dialogue stuff still works. Yeah, I will release. No, I will release. I plan to do this on Steam, dude. I plan to put it on Steam. Why is my keybind not working? I noticed that sometimes the keybind... Okay, that keybind is not working either. Why? Why is it... Why escape not working? Continue? Oh, continue is working. Alright, my keybind is not working. Dialogue. His name, at least you can see his name, is Roland Diard. I also need to do a portrait. No, the goal is to... I want to... Basically, it's gonna be in acts. And the first act will be the fire temple or fire whatever dungeon you want to call it. But I'm not really sure why I need a fire dungeon yet. It's gonna be a weird one. I still need to wrap my head around the story for that one. But as soon as actually the fire dungeon with the boss and the act 1 is done, I want to release it pre-release on Steam. So people can play it and give me feedback and see if it's fun at all or if what I need to change to make it fun. But it's still gonna be a long way to that. But that's the plan. That is the plan. And now I need to debug everything. Why is it not working? Yep, that's exactly why I named it like that. It's an anagram of Roland the Rat. That's exactly the idea. Rats everywhere, man. I was thinking about calling my studio, whatever, to a rat studio, but there's so many already called like that. This is insane. So I'm like, nope. Alright, my key is definitely broken. Yep, it's definitely broken. Alright. I'm probably gonna just call it Enthrallor Studios. So it can be like a logo with some... Probably gonna be a logo, maybe with a CD, where it's like enthralled with wines or something. That would be cool. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. So, dialogue system. I need to debug. Why not Maru Inc? Marumi Inc? Well... Yeah, maybe. It's not so cool as Enthrallor Studios, though. Limar's angry. We have ads. I'm gonna wait real quick. Well... Yeah, Limar is angry. He's angry at ads. Dun, dun, dun. Meanwhile, we can debug why the hell our dialogue system is broken now. I might know why. Because it's pausing the game. But. That's in the menu, that's fine. That is for the sub menu. What is this? Oh, okay, that's all. That's fine. Let's look good. Is it in there? This is where I load the file, that's fine. Where to get the text, that's also fine. It might be in there. Because I have a button. Oh, that's true. I think I got rid of that button. That might have broken those stuff. Let's see. Did I get rid of the button by accident? It's probably goes... Okay, I see. If it's not a menu... But we're not in the menu. Maybe... Why are we in the menu? Alright, let's check if it even comes here. Actually, I need to... not start it like that, because that gives me the puddle. That looks good. That is still fine. That functions. So that works. So it's only the dialog system where it's broken. And for that, I need to go... I need to go into the first act. Am I in the first act? No. Alright, continue. Fine. Still, now that's something weird. Okay, why did I just trigger that? Ah, that's in the process. Okay. That would be triggered a lot. So let's do it like this. Yeah, it's not triggering that. This one is triggered. Do I not release the game pause after this? I might not release the menu. Let's check this one. Dude, why did I just start it wrong again? Come on. Alright, Limaro is gone. Limaro is gone. Dude, my PC is so slow. Come on, compile. Alright. Let's continue. Okay, we cannot even go there. Why not? Oh, did I override it with my file? My save file? But then it should be rebound. See what my keybind is on the save file. Where's my save file? Where is my save file? User app data. Where is it? Should be roaming, I think. Nope. Roaming. Widow. Enthrallor. There. Saves. What did I save actually? Accept is 69. That should be correct, I think. Accept 69E. Yep, that looks good. So that's not a problem. Why is it just not accepting? It's accepting that one, but it's not working on the escape either. Do I fuck up the keybind somehow? Questions. What did I do wrong? So, okay. Interesting. Oh, it's not initialized. Okay, let's check if safety check here. Oh, I started it wrong again. Why? Why are you angry? No, it's already not working. That's interesting. All right, let's check when we start it up. I think that's a problem because it thinks that we're always in menu. So if I hit it just here, that works actually. But now it doesn't work anymore. Maybe it thinks that... Actually, I should take that to my stream. Replace that. The name, I think. The name, I mean. Enthrallor. Right. This is the name of the game. So, I have a suspicion that it's gonna be in the menu. That actually that's somehow here. It's not calling it anymore. False. That should reset it. Let's see. What happens there? Why do chickies like this? That's weird. That is weird. It's already in the dialogue? Why is it calling the dialogue here? Where's that call from? Menu global? What? What? Anyway. It's processing. I have to put it there. Alright. So this should be undestroyable. States. Where's my states? Where's the current state? Undestroyable. Yes. Alright, we cannot kill that. That makes sense. Okay, that makes sense either. Or that must say this as well. Scale, background, blah, blah, blah. Ah, this is that. Okay. I know what's up. Alright, so we can do this. But now... Full star menu. That's correct. That's totally correct. But now it should be able to kill it. What is the state of that thing? Undestroyable. That's a problem. No, why is it undestroyable? Should not be undestroyable. Where do I call this state? Where are you called? Where? Act 0. Menu undestroyable. Alright, that's fair. Other than that, not called there. It's not called there. It's the only place where it's called. Why is... Oh, it's not releasing the state. Dude. Dude. I need to release the state once we close it. Yep, that's here. On start menu, or start button pressed, state equal. It's gonna be, what is it? Is it 0? Null? Yeah, it's gonna be null. Null. Alright. That should fix this. At least for the start menu, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's also gonna be for the dialogue, because the dialogue is thinks the menu is open, so gonna do shit. Hold on, need to help my wife real quick. Alright, like so. Alright, we're back in there. This should be. Actually, let's double check. Okay. This should now be this royal wall. Yes. Alright. And now I can do it correctly. Alright. We're back in the game. So this is basically the starting cutscene. I need to draw this. It's just a mock-up. But basically the armor is falling down the well onto Roland. And he's like, what? Alright, what's your problem? Oh, it's not damage types. I'm an idiot. It's maps. Maps. Alright. My engine is angry. I need to restart my PC after this. Not the death puzzle. Come on. We want Act 1, Act 0. We want to check if everything is correct until Act 3, which is the death puzzle. Alright, start. Yep. Dude, why is it broke? Hold on, it's not correctly. Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. Hold on, I need to do a function for this. Kill menu. Alright, because I keep forgetting stuff. So I just need to do it right with a function. So everything is handling it correctly. Alright. Don't need this anymore. Let's go. That's why I do functions, man. So I don't forget anything. The menu is a mess anyway, it's when I started out. Alright. There's no silence, Roland. I need to zoom into Roland and then zoom out when he's talking. Alright, something's wrong with my black hole back there, but it's fine, it's fine. And Roland is on. Why is Roland standing on his head? That's hilarious, actually. Dude, what is happening? Alright, and I cannot shoot? I can't shoot. Alright. What's the problem? Body monster type? Where's this from? Tornado. Oh, because the armor doesn't have a monster type? I think so. Alright, but we can shortcut this because we're already in Act 2. We are in Act 2. Where's Act 2? So Act 0 is working again. That's fine. Actually, Act 1. We're in that one. So, I guess Roland, that's some weird scale. That's weird. And it's weirdly rotated. Alright. And the armor, because I haven't coated the armor with a proper coating like I do with all the other mobs. I probably will have to do it because it will come bite me at some point. But for now, I'm just patching. Monster types, it's gonna be whatever. Armor. Let's just actually do this correctly because else it's that's gonna confuse the shit out of me. So we have a monster type and it is in here. So I'm gonna make a monster type armor, which is specifically for the armor. I doubt I'll ever fight the armor again, but you never know what's happening in the future, so I might just make it future proof. Why not? Alright, what was it? Was it mob type? Mob type. Armor. This should fix the issue. That's also a problem why I should incorporate it into proper coding. Because every time I extend the monster data, the monster base class, and I add something I need to check, then it's gonna fall apart. Which is not good. Alright, let's recall it. Dude, my game engine is angry. Roland is on the fucking head again. Fight. Why can't I shoot? Alright, monster type. I haven't defined that one. That's true. This is true. Yeah, I really should code that. Armor's gonna have infinite and it's gonna have DT out of the yin yang, so it's not gonna take any damage. Let's give it 75% DT. Actually, 0.75. Actually, that's... If I want 75%, it would have to be that one. Armor. I just set up this array so I can define monster type and give them standard HP and damage taking values. That way I can tune it better. Same for my spells. It's basically everything I want to tune in that game. It's gonna be compressed into one file so I can edit it easily. Just, I think, thinking ahead like that to build up a system, which makes sense. Also in the future is really important. Do you actually see that? Alright. Why is Roland on the fucking head? Alright, he's not taking any damage. Let's just get eaten up. And cast something. It actually looks really cool with Roland. He's like, what? Squeak squeak, rats. We have rats. Alright, that's also the wrong one. Maps. That's why I reworked all of the maps. So I can change it one single location and how they are named. So if I want to rename them. Alright, let's just get swallowed up as soon as possible. I know what's happening there. It's weird. Well, and the fucking teleport up there is weird as well. But I think that has to do with the animation. That's not so... If the button did not go away, that's hilarious. Okay, now we have the same problem which we had before. Actually, I saw something which I need to fix real quick. Because on the UI, the button is not in the group. That might be a bad idea. Which one is that? How is that called? Journal butter? Journal button? Well, yeah, if you don't know coding, then it's probably gonna be gibberish for you. This is true. Why is my labels all weird? Hold on, is that everywhere? English Maro, I'm talking English. No, they're good. I don't know why they're weird like that, but doesn't matter. So I'm hiding this frame at some point, but I should be hiding this one. So because the button, oh true, I need to extend on the glyph system as well, but the glyph system still has time. I don't have to do that right now. That's so much I need to do, dude. So at the start it's like crazy. So where do we hide it? Hide power frame? Is that it? I think that's probably it. Where's that? Hide power frame. Armor hide. Yeah, the armor is not that. That's a problem. It's actually hiding the armor. It should be hiding the power frame. Power frame. That one. Alright. So we can actually, the function is called correctly, but it's calling the wrong stuff. Do we have a show bar frame? No, we don't. All right. All right, almost done. Almost to the rats. Nocto. I still need to figure out why the one problem is called, but then we should be able to enjoy the rats again. So let's think about it. Why is that even possible? Oh, okay, no, yeah, I get it. Reference rect. Yep. Right. Alright, so I could just check if it's null, but with value of type vector 2. Why is that a vector? That's a problem. Why is that vector 2? Why would that be a vector 2? Oh, that's a vector 2. Gravity. No, that's a problem. Alright, I'm base nil. The body is nil here. I was correct. So why is the body nil? Let's see how we instantiate the state machine. Where's my player? Where's my player? So we call the body first on the ready, so the body would be ready. Why? Why is it null? Where's my do? Do I need to check if it has a state? think it already does it now. Where is my state machine? Where did I put that? That's good. Let's just search it. State machine. Do. Yep. If it's not null. But why is the body null? Shouldn't happen. This should not be happening. Or is it already... Was it already killed off? It's not completed yet. Okay, that's weird as shit. Alright, let's see how I call it actually. Oh, that might be the problem. I think I know what the problem is. Because I'm calling that state in the act actually, not on the player. So this is actually called here. So the player might not. What the hell is this doing? Dude, I love it when you like a week later you have no idea what the code is doing anymore. Ah, okay. That is interesting. Let's just comment that because next time I'm gonna ask myself the same question. Player is not enthralled. Alright. Why do I scale the player here? Oh, I start scaling. That's a problem. That's the same problem I do in the other one, I think. Let's see. Player. Position. Alright, low. Player scale. What do I scale it to? 1. That's good. Alright. That looks good. Why is it not? Why? Why? So, yeah. That's the problem, I think. Player idle state. Idle state. But it shouldn't be a problem because it shouldn't do anything if the state machine is not ready. I don't get it. Let's check this real quick. Alright. So the player's loaded. State machine body should be defined, right? Let's check. State machine body. Yep, body's defined. So why are you angry? Angry engine. Because here it's working, so it's gotta be something on the falling state. It's got to be something on the falling state. So death puddle is a thing. Actually, I need to redo this circle. It should be like, it shouldn't be a thucking thing. It should be something like emitting particles. Well, I can change that later. But why? Why? Dude, I have no idea why this is happening. Like, none. Why? Why is it null? This should not be null. Alright, let's trace it back. We're calling this from state machine. State is filled. What is state actually? State should be falling state, right? Yeah, correct. Body, and the body is filled? Why is the body null? Is it not correctly? Oh, dude. I know. I just see it. I'm an idiot. Yep. This is still overriding body. So, rats, here we go. Dude, that was such an idiot mistake. Crazy. Come on, rats. Alright, we got rats. Dude, I'm running in the air. Awesome. I cannot still not shoot. And I cannot. Oh shit, that's gonna be. Oh, I need to adapt that. Alright. I don't know why everything on this scene is so huge. And why I cannot kill rats anymore. I can actually. Hold on. I'm holding on. And I'm gonna change how this is working as well. Because this is gonna be the raise animation. And basically the armor is not gonna let you die, so you basically float down from the top. That's how it's going to be. So, for now... Yeah, death puddle. I solved the death puddle now. Everything's working again. That's good. We managed to unbreak everything. So what we need to do is solve the death puddling. Dude, this is insane. I love it. It's probably gonna be a mouth with a lot of tentacles, like wailing. Yes, 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 yes. Alright. So we still need to figure out how we can spawn it. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're demon puddling it up. And we're gonna have a function which is called spawn, I guess. Nope. Do we have a function which is called spawn? I think we have to... Do we have to have a singleton for this? Nope. We can do this in the monster base. Because we're calling it there anyway. So I need to do this into the scenes is gonna be demon puddle. So we can call it demon puddle. Demon puddle. Right. And we will have to load it. We're just gonna try to load it where it falls. Make this, close this. Where's my monster base? So every time we get magnetized, enter magnet state. Yep. Where do we actually kill the shadow? Oh, it's getting killed because okay. It's getting killed because of that. Well, let's see. I want to make sure we can check if there's something in the area. We could just loop through all of the puddles and see if there's already one on the designated area. I don't know if that it would be performant. I guess we could do this. We need to make sure that we can check, because you also want to update the duration in case we make it longer. Do we actually need to update the duration? If someone falls... Yeah, I guess we do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to loop all the group nodes. Do we want to do this here? That's the question, if we want to do this here, because probably should not handle it here, but somewhere else. Where do we want to handle this? That's a good question. I think we should handle it into... Do we handle it in the magnet? In the shadow? Probably not. We could do a global singleton. Guess we could do that. Let's see. I need to make sure that I don't process too many things in the singleton. As long as I don't use process power, because every singleton you use inside the process is just gonna be spam it. What do you soup for Dragoon for 30? The Samurai, dude. Samurai. Samurai only. I almost said Dragoon sub. That's not possible. This is not possible. Dragoon, yeah, that's best. If you don't do Dragoon, you're doing it wrong. That's just it, dude. If you don't do Dragoon, you're doing it wrong. I don't do any processing in here. That's good, because processing in here is shit. We don't want processing in here. Alright, so if you do a puzzle global, I'm not sure I want to do this. But I'm not sure I can avoid doing it. Actually, I could avoid doing it. But actually, I could do most of the code in the demo puzzle. Alright, check if exists. And it's gonna be in a position. Load. And we have to check if, or no, we cannot spawn it if it's not existing. All right, we're gonna get all of the puddles, and we're gonna add it to the group. Add to group demon puddle, because demon puddles are the best. All right, we're gonna get all the demons. We're gonna make this one, and we need to check. Wait, does get nodes in group not exist? No, group name. Okay, demon puddle. Yeah, group name. Demon puddle. Nope, that was wrong. Alright, demon position. That's gonna be for demon, for Paul in demons. If we're gonna have a distance, position. Actually, I shouldn't call it position. Let's call it something else. Distance to puddle, actually puddle distance to puddle position. If the distance, and actually here we can return an object. Does object exist? Node. It's gonna be node 2D. If distance is smaller than leeway, then return puddle. And if nothing found, return null. So every time we have to check if it exists, and if not, we're gonna create it. And here we're gonna have timer. Actually, this should be something we have to time. This should be in tuning. Monster type, spell damage, bar timers, demon, puzzle, uptime. Going to be, how long do we want it? 10 seconds? Let's leave it at 10 seconds for now. Actually, it's gonna be shorter and just do more damage, but anyway. Random variables. Demon puddle uptime, and we're gonna have demon puddle Actually, we should put that into monster types. Actually, monster type should have damage in there. And we're gonna do demon puddle. Let's do it like that because this makes more sense. HP, well, yeah, many HP because it doesn't matter. Cannot be killed. And it's gonna have DPS equals 100. It's gonna be balling. Yeah, DPS is off the charts. Critters cannot attack, so that's no issue. And we're gonna have Demon Puddle uptime. It's still gonna be here. Let's just put it there as well. Uptime. And this is easier. Alright, we have monster type. Where's my puddle? Up time equals tuning monster type demon puddle uptime. Right. Time passed equal 0. Actually, we can just count down uptime. Let's do it like this. Alright. And we have uptime minus equal. Delta. If uptime smaller equal 0, kill it. You free. Actually, it's gonna be a despawn animation, I guess. To do a spawn animation as well. Alright. Yeah, we can do this later. Free. You do run the spawn animation. Alright, that looks good. Time passed. We don't need time passed actually. Actually, it was easier as I thought. And what we have to do now is in the monster base. Actually, we can do this in here. Where is it? We enter magnet state. Try spawn puddle. Funk. Try spawn puddle. And here we have where do we call this? Do we spam this or is this once? Toggle magnetized. We spam this, alright. We might not want to call this all the time. I think we could do all this in physics process. It's a bit less, I think. Let's see the difference real quick. I think one was called once a second, and the other one was spammed.
actually it's better. Alright. Alright, we spam this. We don't spam the animation. That's good. So we can load it in here. Enter magnet state. Bomb puddle. Puddle. Load. What was it? Was it GTT? Was it enums? Enums. Scenes. Demon bottle. I think it was that. Do I need to instantiate it already? Fuck, I think I need to instantiate it. That might be not really efficient. Although there's not gonna be millions of them on the floor, so. Alright. If puddle. How would they call the function? How did we call it? Check fixes. Oh, hold on. Hold on. We need to call it in the magnetized state. We need to call it there. Can I call it there? We cannot call it here. All right. Let's try to dampen it a little bit. Last middle point equals vector. So the thing is, we're checking a lot if it's magnetized or not, so I don't want to bottle it up all the time. Puddle. Demon puddle. I wonder if I can call it without. Let's see. Probably not. So, last middle point. Oops. If last middle point not equal. Actually, I need to check the distance. If it changed like a lot. It could have changed a little bit. I need the leeway for my demon bottle. So, what was my leeway? I think it was like 20. Distance to middle point bigger than 20. Then demon bottle try to, actually it's not try to, it's something else. I already forget. Check if it exists. Check if exists. If it exists, we need to update time. So uptime It's gonna reset time. Let's just call it reset time. Reset up time. All right. So I have a nice idea. I can, yep. That makes sense. And there's some nice sparkle effects on this one. Check if it exists. Check if it exists. Bar bottle. Imar is angry. We have ads. We have ads. Actually, I don't need to. Depends if I have to instantiate it or not. Let's see. I also don't actually need that check because I already do the check. So if bottle not equal null, then bottle reset uptime. Actually, is that correct? Because then I'm just gonna reset it all the time, which is not really what I want. Let's just do that one. Bottle instantiate. Bar bottle instance and add it. Can we add it here? I think we add to owner or body owner dot add child demon bottle. Alright, let's see if that works already. I doubt it, but we will see. Check if it says, yep, in base backzine. Alright, that's what I thought. We need to instantiate first. Instantiate. I don't know if that's good. Should we just... Let's just call it here, actually. Doesn't really matter if you call it here or not. So let's call it here so we don't have to instantiate, because I don't want to instantiate it because that's going to be expensive. So check if bottle exists. And so the leeway is already, we already have the leeway. We can copy that one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Demon bottle, demon bottle, demon bottle. Leeway. Demon bottle leeway. Let's call it like this. Like this. Alright. If bigger than and the group name is gonna be demon bottle. Alright. So we can just do this. And we can even do this, and then we can do check if it exists. Alright, this should do it. Alright, what's the problem? Jackie Fuddle exists. Limar is always angry. Yep, he is. He is. He doesn't like Jeff Bezos doing ads. That's why he's angry. Angry. Alright, what's your problem? Can I convert one? Oh, it's a vector. I'm an idiot. Vector 2. Digital position. Alright, that looks good. Alright, this should spawn a puddle. Let's see. Can open group on a null value. Alright, then it's body.getTree. Sorry, dude. Sorry. Goodo. Alright, what's your problem now? Listen to. Doesn't that exist? Oh, it's position distance there. Position distance there. So it was doing the thing, but it didn't puddle it up. Why didn't it puddle it up? Why not? Should have. Alright, puddle. Puddle is null. So we should actually instantiate it. Alright, we're doing that. Puddle instance, which is good. Instantiated. I like it. Uptime. I might just kill it right off. Let's see, where's my puddle? Where is my puddle? Why is the puddle not spawned? Uptime 7 seconds. Alright. Oh, it's smaller than. Wait, what? Why is that triggering? Why? What? Are you telling me that this is the problem? That would be weird. That would be so weird. Alright, it's doing it, but it's not spawning my demon bubble. Why not? Why is it not spawning my demon bubble? Is it because of visibility? No. Maybe the... Oh, I know why. I think I know why. That puddle? Seen better days? Yep, exactly. It was made fun of in school, so that's why it became demon puddle. Or that. Where's Makio anyway? It's been a while since I've seen it. Where is Makio? Dude. It spawned the bubbles. Love it, dude. That's gonna be so awesome. But the problem is it's spawning them everywhere. Wow, oh, I should have taken global position, I think. That's the problem. Hold on. Middle point. Why is it not? Why is that not correct? When you do set the position, of course. I'm an idiot. For instance, dot position. Equal middle point. All right. This should do it. Dude. Wait, why is it? Okay, that was a little bit too close. I think I need to make the radius. Okay, that's a little bit weird. Okay, that works. I think if the radius is not too big, then it should work. And I need to kill the demon ball. There's not magnetized anymore. The radius of the bottle should be bigger, I guess. Why is it spawning 3? That was weird. You need to make a better system on how to spawn it. I need to figure out how to do this better. Hold on. I might have an idea. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, it works fine with 2, that's for sure. Yep, Ron is coming alive. That's nice. Nice to have something which actually can run around instead of just some random stuff. Roland is looking good. Yeah, instead of a rat. So it's gonna be really hard, I think. Either I keep a central pool, or I could use a seed to do it. But that might not be correct because every chicken has another list. That is a real problem. Because the problem is now, if you just call it puddle, if I call a new one, it will just move. I mean, that might not be a problem. I don't know. Could just make the radius bigger. Yeah. Dude, I'm not sure how to do this correctly. If I do a general list for whoever's in the same area. I could just do the selection differently. Instead of keeping them in a list when I hit it, I could just check the area with all the magnetized monsters in there. Does that make sense? Well, that won't change anything though. Actually, I think I need to do it differently in how I suck stuff in. So I shouldn't recalculate the middle point every time. I think when the puddle is spawned, it should directly go to the puddle. I think we can override the middle point once the puddle is there. But the radius will have to be bigger. So it gets sucked into the puddle instead of actually the middle point or whatever's happening. I think that would make more sense. So if we set the leeway to like 100 and oh, that's already that point, right? All right, I'm gonna think about it, but my food just came, so I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Thanks so much for watching though. And see you again. Bye guys.